Hello po, ako po si Chris Romado Cinemo. Ang aking report po ay tungkol kay Artemis. Si Artemis ay isang Greek goddess of wild animals, the hunt, and vegetation, and of chastity and childbirth. Sa Roma naman, tinatawag siya as Diana. So, ang characteristic ni Artemis is, ang personality niya is influenced by her love of nature. Pagdating naman sa art and literature ng Greek, pinoportray siya as may hunting bow with her hunting dogs, wearing a short dress, pa magmukhang madali maghunt si Artemis. So, ang story ni Artemis is, Leto gave birth to her, and Apollo is her brother. So, pagkapanganak ni Leto kay Artemis, tinulungan na ni Artemis si Leto mag-give birth kay Apollo. So, doon nag-start yung pagiging goddess of childbirth ni Artemis. Pinanganak si Artemis sa Delos. Ang Delos ay between 900 BC and 100 AD ay isang major cult center ng mga gods, at yung father naman ni Artemis dun ay si Dionysius. So, ang temple naman ni Artemis is located sa Asia Minor, which is also known as Turkey na yon. Artemis is the most worshipped Greek goddess. Gawa kasi ng childbirth niya. She is known for goddess of fertility dun sa Turkey. And then, naging 7 wonders of the ancient world yung Ephesus. Gawa nun. After that, she carried her own temple on her head as the protector of her own temple. Pagkabigay sa kanya na pagiging protector ng temple, doon pinanganak si Alexander the Great noong year 356 in Macedonia. So, hindi niya makip yung title niya sa protector ng temple. Gawa kasi she is busy helping with the birth of an important person which is named Athena. So, later on, after makonquer ni Alexander the Great yung Anatolia, binalik na niya yung privileges ng city ng Ephesus at saka yung temple kay Artemis ulit. So, doon naman po tayo sa portion ni Orion. Nag-wish kasi si Artemis na maging virgin kay Zeus. Those who dishonor Artemis will be punished. So, itong si Orion, isang great hunter ng Greek. He tried to dishonor Artemis, but later on, was killed. Sa pagiging killed niya daw, naging constellation siya, kasama yung aso niya si Sirius. So, yan lang po yung report. Papakita ko po yung lahat-lahat ng slides po sa end ng video po ito. Thank you po.